Anthony have training from the morning now. Yeah. Hold the bat. Yeah. This is the table tennis training Anthony have from the morning. Mommy gonna show him. Hold the bat. Yeah. And we're going to play. Yeah. The rallies. Rallies, Anthony. Yeah. Rallies, how to practice at home, domestically. Table tennis, you can start from the just bound the ball. Yeah, what Anthony can already practice. Now he's watching how you hold the ball. Very well done, the bat. Yeah. Yeah, one. Like this. Yeah, not on the table, just up the ball. Again, take the ball. Up the ball. Come on. He's now busy with the videos. Also help yourself with the videos. Watching how the players play on the table. The movements in here. Yeah. Anthony, one more time. We're doing rally, also the good way. Hold the ball in here. Yeah. Jumping. Very good. Yeah, the good rally. Very good rally. So we're going to now have more table tennis lessons. So this was good practice for every day. Just forehand, backhand, bound the ball and play on the wall.